If you are earning a good salary but still feel like your bank account empties out every single month, you are not alone. Millions of hardworking professionals between 25 and 50 are caught in a quiet financial trap. They earn more than ever before, yet they have almost nothing left over to show for it. Today, we are diving deep into what living beyond your means actually means, why it happens to even the smartest people, and 4 practical steps you can take right now to reclaim total control of your money. Most people think living beyond their means buying flashy sports cars or luxury designer clothes. But in reality, it is much more subtle. It is lifestyle creep. It is when your earnings rise, and without realizing it, your spending quietly rises to match it. The daily artisanal coffees, the food delivery orders, the upgraded vehicle, the higher mortgage or rent. Soon, your fixed expenses take up 90% of your take-home pay. You are not broke, but you are completely vulnerable. Why does this happen? First, social pressure and comparison culture make us feel like we need to project success. Second, modern credit mechanisms make it effortless to split payments and obscure true costs. And third, workplace stress creates a natural desire for convenience and retail therapy. But here is the hard reality: living on the financial edge causes chronic stress, strains personal relationships, and steals your future freedom. So how do you break free? Here are 4 concrete steps. Step 1: Uncover your hidden cash bleed. Sit down with your last 3 months of bank and card statements. Look at where your money actually went versus where you thought it went. You will quickly spot subscriptions you do not use and impulse spending habits that add up to hundreds every month. Step 2: Realign spending with true value. Budgeting is not about torturing yourself. It is about intentionally directing your money toward what actually matters to you, while ruthlessly cutting back on things that do not bring real value to your life. Step 3: Automate your future first. Stop saving whatever happens to be left over at the end of the month, because usually nothing is left. The moment your income hits your account, automatically transfer a set percentage directly into your emergency fund or investment account. Treat your future security as a mandatory bill. Step 4: Build a complete long-term financial plan. Random money decisions produce random financial stress. When you have a clear, structured blueprint guiding your cash flow, debt elimination, and savings goals, peace of mind becomes automatic. At One Go Financial, we believe that financial freedom starts with a plan. If you are ready to transform your money habits and build lasting security, visit onegofinancial.com today to participate in our interactive personal finance and corporate financial wellness workshops.